Hey guys, it's Slack here. I hope you're fine. So I've decided to make a full Photoshop course for you guys, and especially my Facebook group members. There are actually a lot of beginners there.
Audio Jungle.
There are actually a lot of beginners there that I would like to improve their skills and teach them more about this amazing software. So the version we'll be using in this course is basically Photoshop CC 2019, and we're going to talk about these things. And we will talk about everything about Photoshop, and I'll upload 1 to 3 videos for this course weekly so you can follow up with me, and there will be also some assignments for you guys that are in my Slack family Facebook group. I'll make sure to put the link of the group right down there, and I'll give you a quick introduction about this software. So this is the document window. Every image that you're opening or your amazing designs will appear in this window, and to help you along the way you'll also need panels and also tools that will help you come up with your great ideas and designs as soon as possible. And we will go through each and every one of these panels and tools, tell you all the details about them and everything about them. And last but not least, the options bar. It is where you can adjust your tools to help you edit your image or your amazing designs. So this is basically the first video in the course, and it's all about the user interface and how we're going to work together in this Photoshop course. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.